The event is highly educative, and Lancaster University is one of the schools I can recommend for my students because it's well loaded and the facility is there. It's a value-added university. It's a university that can shape the life of our younger ones, and is highly recommended.
From everything that was said by the speaker, the provost, which of course is a wonderful man, everything has been very up to point. The programs that are being offered by LEG, they are wonderful programs. The ambience, in fact, the reception that we got today has been extremely wonderful.
What I heard today, honestly, I never knew a whole provost could actually come down to our level to talk to us and educate us, even giving us his own experience. Personally, I'm wowed, honestly. And trust me, we're going to sell this market like never before.
Advise any parent that is here to decide to think fast. Because what I saw when I got the car, I went with her when we went there. They who were treated, it was like, as my daughter was looking at me, mommy, what are we that the school should be treating us? They sent a vehicle to pick us from the airport. They waited for us at the airport, pick us from the airport, took us at the hostel we went to because she came in January. So the October students already occupied the school accommodation. So they said they have accommodation outside within the school. So they took us to one city, they like it. Imagine that the driver was patient enough, took us and man, where else do you want to go? We'll take it to around to see. They took us to 3 places to look for accommodation without grudging. At the end of the day, we went back to the school. They took us to the school and we were there in the school.
I think that for us and as an institution, as an university, there is no way we can succeed without the support of these agents and counsellors who do this amazing job of connecting us to parents, connecting us with students, connecting us with high schools, and making sure that they feed into our institutions. It has been an informative, engaging, collaborative session with these agents, and I'm very confident that in the successive years, this will be a very important part of what we will do in Port Harcourt. To all the agents and counsellors, I say thank you so much for receiving me, and I do hope to meet all of you again next year. Thank you very much.